Yo, what is up guys? It's Parker back from Wild Survival, and in today's video we are going to be upgrading the fort once again. If you guys didn't see yesterday's upgrade, leave a link down below to that video. Yesterday basically we just upgraded the fort walls, secured it so that the wind isn't so powerful in here, and the floor is nice and comfy with like straw and stuff, so it's very comfy in here now. Nice in here. In today's video though, we are going to be upgrading that side of the fort, which would be the new entrance. So I'm thinking now, I put a random stick over that log yesterday, and I'm thinking now I'm gonna turn that into a bedroom and make an entrance, say over here to the old entrance, but more to the right. Anyways, I'll show you guys what I mean later, but for now I'll just explain it like that. So we're basically just gonna try and add on to a room this day, and basically just do a reno and make a room. guys, as you can see, we finished the roof over here and this wall back here. It's really nice in here. Arjun was doing a bunch of this stuff with me, and then he got kind of tired because, you know, we've been working hard. Yeah, so he's been like working on this knife that I carved, and he's sharpening it up on the stone a bit. But yeah, we finished the roof. We finished this back wall back here. So this might be a bedroom, and if it is, this will be like a perfect table for whatever you need it for, right? Like if you need to put your, yeah, like basically just like a storage. So it's not on the ground. And then we're gonna put a bunch of like bedding in here, like what's on the inside. We're gonna put a bunch of that in here, so it's really like, it's like a mattress basically. And then we're gonna waterproof the top by putting some more straw on it. I'm gonna say straw, but it's basically just dead grass. But we're gonna put more straw on the top and basically put little branches on top so it holds it down and it doesn't just blow away. As well as we're gonna add a bit more to that roof because that roof isn't the greatest right now. But like we're doing really good right now. It's only been a little bit, and we've already got this whole roof done, this whole back wall, and then we're gonna do that wall that you guys are on right now, so you won't even be able to see me if the wall was there. And then we're gonna enclose this whole wall right here, so it's like a little hut basically, but it's just a basic renovation like of a room. Yeah. And yeah, so we basically just gotta get some more straw and then build this wall and then that little wall over there. So without further ado, let's go get ourselves some sticks and some grass. Alright guys, so we finished the roof so far. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it's nice and secure on the bottom. You can see it's really dark. And then that's just the wall we need to finish. And then this wall is pretty much done. And then we just gotta finish this big wall right here. And then we'll be good for today. Alright guys, as you can see, we finished the outside of the base, and we finished all the walls, so we're going to do the outro. And again, please leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know you can't see me because I'm on the outside of the wall right now, but I spent so much time on this, and I'm going to head to the inside of the fort, give you guys a quick tour, show you the outside and the inside before we go, roll the outro, and that'll be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you happen to enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video again. And once again, Parker out.